Alexa, turn on the office.
Okay.
Hi guys, I'm Zaira Kuri, architect and lighting designer, founder of D.Signers. That was a real conversation that I had with my dad days ago. And I realized that I had to share this with all of you. Because maybe you are living the same situation about insomnia like my father, or you just want to improve your bedroom design. Did you know lighting can improve your life quality? Did you know that multiple scientific studies blame the bad use of artificial lighting in our bedrooms for causing various problems such as stress, insomnia, and obesity? And of course, with a good design, we can avoid it. I will show you the biggest and most common mistakes that people usually do when it comes to lighting the bedroom and how to solve them immediately. The number one and most serious mistake of all is to choose any light bulb without caring about the color temperature of that lighting source. The color temperature of a bulb can be warm, neutral, or cool. The warm color temperature is commonly known as yellow light. Warm lighting feels natural to us in the evenings and promotes relaxation. As part of our natural human circadian rhythm, warm light seems to relax us and help us wind down for the day and get ready for sleep. And this is because we come from nature and we have a strong relationship with the sunlight. So recreating the natural lighting of the sunset is very useful to induce sleep, because the sunset informs our circadian rhythm that it's time to relax now that the day is over. The sunset lighting atmosphere is warm and soft, so that is the correct color temperature to be used in our bedrooms to induce sleep. On the other hand, the cool lighting helps us be alert and energetic for performing tasks. Cool lighting in our evening spaces may interfere with our inner clock. So to fix the first mistake, be sure to check it in the bulb's package that the color temperature is between 2000 to 3000 Kelvin degrees, commonly known as a yellow or warm light. You only have one light source. The sun changes constantly in the day, and our circadian rhythm should be aligned with the characteristics of the sunlight for our health and to maintain our inner clock aligned with nature. So the artificial lighting in our interiors should have the same movement and condition throughout the day like the sun. It's impossible to achieve that with only a static bulb. A static light covers the simple lighting needs, like in rooms where you spend brief periods of time. But in our bedroom, we spend a lot of time in different moments of the day. So we need to have different lighting options that can change during day and nighttime, just like the natural lighting outside. So you should have different layers of lighting. An ambient light in a warm temperature to have an intimate, friendly, and personal atmosphere perfect to be used before sleep. A second ambient lighting with a brighter and neutral temperature to be used in the day at the time that your kids are playing, doing their homework, or organizing your room, for example. You will need a task lighting. The practical light. It means that when you are performing specific activities, you can see what you are doing. Task lighting is a more focused type of lighting that creates a comfortable ambience at the time of making activities such as reading or writing. So you can opt to have a warm atmosphere using your table lamps and a brighter lighting mounted on your ceiling. But if you're like me and you like technology, you can add smart bulbs. This way, you can control the color temperature and brightness of the space from your smartphone and creating the perfect environment to develop the different activities inside your bedroom. I will leave a link in the description below for you to check the smart bulb I use. In many systems, you can preset scenes that can be activated at the push of a button or to change by itself depending the hour of the day. You only have ceiling mounted lamps. As I said, the sunset informs your circadian rhythm that it is time to relax because the day is over. And if you observe where the sun is located at the sunset, you will see that the sun is lower by the level of our visual angle. You shouldn't reproduce only the color temperature of the sunset. You need to copy where the sunset is located regarding our visual angle as well. To recreate it, it's important to have table lamps, wall lamps, or a hanging lamp in the level of our visual angle. Another mistake that I see a lot is the use of lamps without a screen. Never, never, never use a lamp without a screen in your bedroom. One of the basic rules that you have to keep in mind regarding your bedroom lighting is to choose soft lighting for your table, ceiling, floor, or wall lamp. So it should have a screen to soften up the lighting, shadows, and contrast, creating a perfect and relaxing atmosphere. Using tech devices moments before falling asleep. Our cell phones, tablets, computer, and other electronic gadgets have become such a huge part of our daily lives that it's often hard to put them down, even at bedtime. The blue light emitted by electronic devices restrain the production of melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle or circadian rhythm. Reducing melatonin makes it harder to fall and stay asleep. My recommendation is to avoid the use of electronic devices moments before falling asleep. If you have a smartphone, iPad, or laptop, you can probably change the color temperature of the screen as soon as the day is over to prepare and to connect with your natural lighting. A good design goes beyond the aesthetic aspects, and how we perceive it through our senses can improve our life quality. And lighting is key at the time of perceiving the space. So, in conclusion, to fix the mistakes, we should have warm temperature color to induce relaxation and sleep. We could have different lighting layers or intelligent light source to have a different lighting depending on the activities. We should have lamps placed on our visual angle. Our lamps should have a screen to soften up the light. We should avoid the use of electronic devices before falling asleep. Guys, please make sure you hit the subscribe button to join our design community and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, if you have any questions, let me know in a comment below. Follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration and to get in touch. Have a beautiful week. See you next time.